special.
What's up, y'all? So the very first thing that I do is I floss my teeth, and I've talked a lot about these in my previous videos, but I got these Plackers from Walmart for about $2, and these things are literally a lifesaver for braces. Then I'm taking this Sensodyne toothpaste. I've been using this toothpaste for a long time and I absolutely love it. But I go ahead and just brush my teeth regularly, like as if I didn't have my braces. Starting with the surfaces, brushing the surfaces, getting those surfaces really, really good. And then I will brush my actual brackets. So after I've done that, I like to go ahead and brush the inside surfaces of my teeth. I feel like a lot of people miss that. And then I go ahead and brush the top of my brackets, top and bottom. Then after I brush the top of my brackets, I brush the bottom of my brackets really, really good. And then the very last thing that I like to brush is my gums. I have to brush my gums. My tooth care routine is not complete if I do not brush my gums. But I feel like a lot of people miss this step, but it's very, very important to make sure that you brush your gums, because my orthodontist always says that if your gums aren't healthy, then your teeth are not going to move the way that they're supposed to. And then I just take this Listerine and mix it with some warm water, put it in my Orthopick, and then I like to go along my gum lines. I couldn't really show you guys because if I did, and water would be everywhere. But this is the finished product, and this is what my teeth look like when I have finished brushing them. And I do this routine twice a day. And that's it, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video.